Hey guys, welcome to step 2. By now you've probably already figured out what you're curious about and what you want to explore. You've come up with a topic that's not one of those quick Google search kind of topics, and you've written your topic as an I wonder statement in step 1 page of your Inquiry 20% notebook. That means you're ready to start looking for information. Step 2 is where you'll find resources and take notes.
Sweet! Google, here I come!
Wait! No! Hold up. So, I love Google just as much as the next guy, but when I do research, I stick to the stuff I know I can trust. Google is great for a lot of things, but when you're finding information for school and for research, you have to be sure the information is reliable.
That means you can trust it.
And safe. That's why we've hooked you up. On your CLX Inquiry 20% webpage, under Step 2, we've linked up a bunch of awesome databases and search engines that are made by teachers and librarians.
Like us.
Just for students.
Like you.
We'll be reviewing how to use each of these in your class, but just as a reminder, we have Pebble Go Next, which is an awesome database for older students like you. There's also NC Wise Owl, which rocks the house and is full of amazing resources like Britannica School and Infobits. If you want to check out a Google style search engine that will give you the sweet results of Google, only in a super safe way, then check out our links for Sweet Search and Kiddle. Remember guys, we're not hating on Google. We're just not using it for our research, okay? And now that you found your resources, you are ready to learn and ready to take notes. Be sure to have your note-taking sheet handy.
Got it, boss.
This is where you can write down all the cool information you're learning.
Great, I'm gonna start copying now.
Whoa, copy? No, I know it's tricky, but we've got to use our own words. Best way to do this is to read through the information and just think about what you've learned. Do you have to write in full sentences when you take notes? No way, man. Here's a chance to write in fragments, so go for it.
What is this thinking column all about?
That is where you get to write in what you are thinking about the information you're writing down. Sometimes as you research, new questions form in your head. Here's a place to jot them down. Sometimes as you research, something that you are learning makes you think about something that you had learned last year in Miss Lauder's class and you make a connection. Cool, write it down.
All of this makes sense, but what does it mean to cite your sources?
Good question, young Jedi researcher. This is how you can prove you're getting information from reliable sources and not just making stuff up. It's also, and this is super important, how you can show you're not stealing someone else's work.
Oh, stealing? Who said anything about stealing?
Well, if you don't write down your sources, that's actually what you're doing. Stealing another person's intellectual property. Now, citing your sources is something that will get a little more complex as you get older. But here in elementary school, we're just asking you to start by citing the title and the author of the source you're taking notes from.
Wait, this doesn't say anything about an author.
Good point. In that case, just write down the title of the article and the webpage.
Elephants from National Geographic Kids.
Yep.
Like slime grossing out your sister from ScienceKids.com.
That's it.
How to get the principal to give kids all-day recess? From Britannica School!
Not sure that's gonna work, but yeah, your citation's great.
Step 2 is a really important one.
They're all important.
Yeah, that's true. But you definitely are going to be rocking out your thinking skills here and using your noodle to learn something new or see what you can create. We have total faith in you.
So after this video, start checking out some of the links to databases and search engines that we have below. Once you start finding some information that will help you, you can start taking notes and citing your sources.
May the Force be with you, young Jedi researchers.